Hey y'all. So welcome to class today. I'm sorry that I couldn't be there today. And I also won't be there tomorrow, unfortunately. I miss you guys, but I actually have a conference that I have to attend. So we're going to learn this way for the majority of this unit, I guess. So the first thing we're going to talk about is, what does fire services do? What a crazy, crazy plethora of things that they're responsible for. I'm going to upload this PowerPoint to Planbook so that you'll be able to access it and peruse it on your own. I would encourage you to go to slide 27 and you'll be able to watch this video that I have. It's just kind of a funny video about a day in the life of a firefighter. As with all the others, here are your COS, your core operational strategies. Firefighters are responsible for ALS, which is advanced life support, first response, suppressing fire, rescue, hazardous materials, disaster and emergency preparedness, which we've talked about, their response to weapons of mass destruction and bioterrorism, code enforcement, fire investigation, and of course, community fire and safety education. Again, with responsibilities, they are in charge of fire suppression, particularly with hazmat, hazardous materials. They're in charge of that, chemical, radiological, and biological. That's CRB and CBURN. They're also responsible for medical response, vehicle accidents, typically accidents in general, if someone is drowning, a construction site accident, etc., anybody who's trapped, and then also Homeland Security. Also responsible for fire prevention education, fire code enforcement. They go around and make sure our fire extinguishers are working correctly, our fire drills are done correctly. They're responsible for details at special events. They check fire hydrants and then equipment maintenance. Also responsible for search and rescue, severe weather response, forest fires, and other various calls that they'll get, like a cat in a tree. Yes, it does happen. So what I want you to do here is pause for a second after I explain this, but what I want you to do is kind of think to yourself, close your eyes and say, I might like to be a firefighter for some of my career. And I want you to give yourself a rating on a scale of 1 to 10. Number 1 is absolutely, positively, there's no way I would be a firefighter. To a number 5, which means, heck yeah, I am fully on board. That is the life I want to live. So go ahead and pause and think about it now. Welcome back. So now we're going to move on to, what does EMS do? EMS is emergency management, emergency medical systems services. Again, COS, core operational strategies, involve on-scene treatment, transit to care facilities, transit between facilities, emergency room services, and then also public event medical care. Your EMS, your emergency medical system, they're usually part of the fire department. So you'll see like fire and EMS always hand in hand. Sometimes even the firefighters will respond as EMS. They also could be sometimes a private company. So you'll see like AMR, American Medical Response. They provide emergency medical treatment, and then their goal is to stabilize the patient and transport to the hospital. So what I want you guys to do is just take a second to go on a scavenger hunt and find out, for firefighters and EMTs, what's the average salary and what are the job requirements. And that is your assignment for today. So remember, you should be taking notes as we go through our units. So part of your notes should include the firefighter and EMT average salary and job requirements. And that's all I got for you today. I miss you guys, and I look forward to seeing you again on Friday, but I will see you virtually, or at least through the recording, tomorrow. Take care, guys.